So, Victor, I've started promoting that online business. I've created WhatsApp groups, I've placed adverts on social media, and I've posted the WhatsApp group link there so that people can come in and I'll tell them more about the business.
Amaka, that is a good one. It's a very brilliant idea. But I must tell you some things about WhatsApp groups when you want to use them to promote your online businesses.
Hey, I trust you. You're going to tell me the important things that I need to know about how to run a WhatsApp group, the challenges I'm going to face. I can't wait, really.
The most challenging aspect of growing this your online business is organizing your WhatsApp groups. It's a daunting challenge. Trust me, I have reared animals, and I can tell you authoritatively, managing human beings is much more difficult than managing animals. First things first, you need to create 2 WhatsApp groups. You will have one for prospects, those that you are still trying to woo into investing into your online business, and you will have another one for the registered members. Now, the prospects group is where the madness is.
Oh, Victor, now you're scaring me.
No, that's not my intention. Listen, there are 3 categories of prospects on every WhatsApp group. The first category are the action takers. Those ones, they know exactly what they want. Once they meet you, ask a few questions about the opportunity. The next thing, they will sign up. They would register. The very day they enter that your prospects WhatsApp groups and they private chat you or ask questions on the group, boom, they have already registered, and you take them to the registered members group. Some of them, they have even registered and funded and invested before they contact you as their upline. They'll just be like, okay, I just want to meet you as my upline. I have funded, I have invested, and my investment is running. Those are action takers. Those ones will not give you any headache. The second group of people in the prospect groups are the scared ones. These ones, Ponzi has dealt with them. Hello? Ponzi has ruined them. Their reputation is dented. They have lost a lot of money to Ponzi. So when you share an opportunity with them, they are so scared. Why? Because of their past, because of their experiences in the past, because of the friendship and trust that they have lost. So these kind of people, you need to show them proof. You need to take them by the hand and tell them that the product or service that you are offering them, the opportunity you are showing them, is one that they can trust. Don't rush these people. Take them step by step. Eventually, they will not only invest, but they will invest big. So long as you can show them proof and, be patient with them. Now that we have talked about category 1 and category 2, I bring to you category 3, the ones that will give you continuous headache, the indecisive ones. I want to call them the time wasters. See, these people, enter any WhatsApp group of any make money online opportunity, you will see them there. They are on all WhatsApp groups, wasting the time of the admins. They are not interested in the project, but they will not exit your WhatsApp group. To justify their stay on your WhatsApp group, every now and then, they will just ask a casual question. What is this platform all about? They asked the same question last week and you explained. They won't invest. They will be there. They will neither invest nor exit your group. Very annoying set of people. These ones, they can make you retire from online business as a promoter or as a networker. They will frustrate you. These people, they will not exit your WhatsApp group. They will be there looking at the testimony of other people. They have seen all the proof that will convince them that this platform is legit, but they will just be there. They are observers. This kind of people, they are terrible people. The way I see them is like somebody who walks into a restaurant to watch others eat. He doesn't have money to buy food, but he will not leave that restaurant, because he loves to watch other people eat. He can't buy the food. You can't buy the food, then leave the restaurant. No, he wants to be in the restaurant watching other people eat. He will not invest in your online business, and he will be there frustrating you, asking you very critical questions. They will go online, look for the hardest question about your opportunity, and be asking you on your WhatsApp group. 50 kobo, a penny, they will not invest in your business. I don't understand this particular category of people.
Please, this category you just talked about, me, I can't deal. I can't handle them. I'll just send them out of my group immediately. I don't have time for time wasters. What nonsense. Okay, tell me about the registered members groups, the challenges I'm going to meet in that one as well.
Well, my dear, the registered members group, the work that you'll be doing there will never end. For as long as that opportunity that you referred them to exists, you will be the one now managing their emotions and helping them understand the platform very well. You're going to be doing emotional management, and of course, you are going to be doing the work of a teacher, teaching them about the platform continually. The people that are on that registered WhatsApp group, they will exhibit different mannerisms that will shock you as well. So as you are getting shock on your prospects groups, you will be getting shock on your registered members groups as well. When everything is going well with the opportunity that you shared with your members on the registered groups, you will not hear anything from them. But the moment there is a glitch on the website, there's a delay in withdrawal, the moment any little thing goes wrong, your registered WhatsApp group will be on fire. People will start questioning your integrity. They will start doubting you again. They will start asking you for answers. They forget the fact that you are just a registered member just like them. They will start asking you questions as if you own the company, as if you are the management. It is so appalling. And you know what? They will bring their own downlines into your WhatsApp group. You will be mentoring them, mentoring their downlines. If their downline asks them any question, they will refer their downlines to you directly. Another annoying thing that can happen to you on your registered members WhatsApp group is the fact that I know that your prospects group WhatsApp link is all over social media. Some persons who have registered for that opportunity you are advertising, but they don't have proper guidance from their upline. Their upline is just collecting commissions and bonuses from their activities. They don't offer any mentorship or leadership to them. So they are already stranded. They will enter your prospects group, private chat you, and probably even lie to you that they are your downline, so that you will add them to your registered members group, and they'll start bombarding you with questions, difficult questions. And you will be like, I'm not your upline. I don't get any bonuses from your activities. You are not asking your upline questions. You are bombarding me with questions here. That is something else you may experience.
This is serious. I don't think I can handle this kind of pressure because the challenges are so much.
You have no choice, my dear. You have to handle it. There is another category that I did not mention. The spammers. They will come into your prospect group, not because they are interested in your opportunity, but they are looking for a way to market their own opportunity. So as soon as they enter your WhatsApp group, the next thing is, boom, they will drop an advert, diverting the attention of people on your prospect group to their own opportunity. They may even put their own WhatsApp group link there. But the important thing is that WhatsApp now has a feature where you as an admin, you can delete anybody's post on your group. And also, when it's night, when you know you're about to sleep, lock your WhatsApp group. Make it only admins can post to avoid spammers from spamming your group. I wish you all the best. And if you need any more ideas or tips, you can reach out to me. I'm always available. Thank you and bye-bye.